Okay, hello there everybody. This is Tim, welcome back. We're going to do as a dirty pour today. So I'm going to pile up some colors inside of here. I don't even have any white. Do we even need any white? No, we don't need any white. We're going to use these four colors. Stack it in this cup. It's a 6-ounce cup. Need a little under that. Can't tell if that's something on my cup or what. Okay, so I've got my Artist Crafts black. Hey, this is usually my base. It's nice and thin. Oh, let me put a portion of that in there. Yeah. Let's just go down like that. There we go. Wow, that's weird how that whizzles around. And then this orange, the basic acrylic, mixed with my medium. You can always look down below and that'll tell you how I do my mixing. Okay. And then I'm doing a yellow. And this yellow is from Cheap acrylic. It's actually pretty good. Never had any issues with it. It's really good. I'm somebody that likes that color yellow. And then here's a blue. Oh my gosh. Let's just realize that. So we'll correct it as we go. Wow. Okay, so this blue is acrylic. This looks like Master Touch. Okay. I'm using there. And I just mixed these up. These were paints that I needed to use. Okay, here's the blue. This is a Florissant Pink. I really like this stuff. And it's a basic acrylic also. Okay. Put some more of that in there. And I did test these. And they're at about the same for consistency. Just stack these up however you want to do them. Because it doesn't matter too much of how you got your colors put in there. At least I don't think so. Pink again. There goes my back. Stand up straight. An orange. I might even throw in some no, I don't think I want to. I'm going to throw in a little bit of activator, but I don't think I'm gonna. Just see what we can get out of these colors here. I'm looking for something really vibrant, sticks out. Sure, I have enough paint now. Okay, so let's put all these out of the way for now. So I have no idea what I'm going to do with this thing yet. So let's just go for it. Let's go up. This goes. There's some blue. Alrighty. There's some fantastic color. There we go. Look at that. Hmm. Oops. I did not want to do that. These are some pretty cool ways to do a pour. There's my black, my pink. Look at them colors. Wow. I'm probably doing this wrong. Look at that. Mm-hmm. I think I have a little bit too much paint. So let's play around with this. Wow, I like them colors. How is this gonna turn out? Well, I guess we just have to mess with it a little bit. Let's go over here where the dark blue is first. Nice. That is nice. Just don't know if I can keep it. That green there's gonna have to go off for sure. That off of there. Let's go down this way. Yes. Wow. Okay, be careful with your fingers there, Timmy. Let's take this side here off. Let me turn it towards you so you can see what I'm doing here. I want to get rid of all this. Some of it. Some more of that blue in there. There we go. That's enough. That's enough. There we go. That looks pretty cool. See a lot of bubbles in it. Coming down this side over here a little bit more. I like that green up here on the top. Okay. Pretty good. I like it. See how these greens are going to turn out over here. No, I didn't use any green. Still. All right. I think I need to bring you down for a close-up here. Well, let's see here. any more of this that'll move? Some. Go back down this way. We got a lot of room. Where you got to do your fine tuning. Just kind of figure out what's going to settle, and I think it's going to settle right there. So let me pull off my messy gloves, grab my camera, give you all a shot at this, okay? Okay, without stopping a shot at all, let's look at this. Wow, I like them colors. Let's see how that's going to turn out. Nice. All right, guys, thanks for watching again, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Remember to subscribe and like. Share this if you'd like. I appreciate you all very, very much. All right. Have a great day.